So guys, I decided to open the box today for you from Ray-Ban. Well, as in my previous video, I used the time of sales. So I bought this really funny, but at the same time, quite universal glasses. You will see that. The model, I get this J.Jo, but I will specify later. J.Jo, as you can see, there is a name of those glasses. These are round, these are quite small, but at the same time it covers eyes quite well. I received this box basically. And by the way, I wanted to specify that, as you could see, let me show you. It says that it's made in China. Here it is. But they say that some models of Ray-Ban, so this is the box, are made in China, some in Italy. So there is an opinion that, for example, Chinese one, well, made in Italy are a bit more of high quality. But I don't know, I really like these, my pair. As you can see, it's round. And it's quite, in terms of what to wear it with, it's quite universal as well. It has golden frame. It's quite lightweight. You have to be careful with that, but at the same time, it won't sort of weigh too much on your face. So I believe that it will go almost with every face shape, yes. So with this package, you get a small black bag for the glasses, then the actual glasses. Then I like the bags actually because they're quite small, but at the same time you have the tissue to clean it with. Also, you can buy for those who have already bought it, you can buy a special set of tools. There's an instruction. Basically, this is all. But I like how small it is, but at the same time, it's, well, you don't need that much space for this model, for example, so you can actually take it everywhere, in almost in every purse, even a small one. So those glasses are of this shape and this color, which I like, and you get the tissue as well. But also you can get, I didn't get it this time, but you can get a small set with tools, so you can fix this part in your glasses when it's undone for this or that reason. For example, when you wear it, it becomes too long, for example. It becomes less like rigid or less hard, and you can actually fix it with those small instrument tools, basically. I didn't buy it this time, and I hope that I won't need it soon. So as you can see, these are quite nice. I like it. Hope you're the fan of Ray-Ban as well. Not that I'm a fan of Ray-Ban, but usually I do rely on the quality, and it's classics. And my eyes, and I by the way, it came straight from Luxottica, the company. This one, Luxottica, I believe it's Italian company. And the delivery took, I ordered straight from Ray-Ban website. So delivery take like a few days, really quick. And it was actually quicker than it was posted when I ordered it. So I'm quite happy with the delivery. So as you can see, here are the package. Here's the packages and bags. Here is the glasses, and here's the tissue. So, and I bought it on sale, so it wasn't that expensive. I guess it was about 50 or 70% sale as well. And I believe it was the last ones or something. So I was lucky to get those on sale, because usually it can be quite pricey. Even though I like the brand, it's reliable, but still. And I'm not sure why it's on discount, because of it is made in China or something. Well, in general, I didn't notice like any damage or something. I wouldn't say that it's made in China, but well, what is not made in China nowadays? So maybe those people who do say that the quality of Italian manufacturers are better, but so far I'm happy with this one, and I'll tell you more later when I wear it a little longer, and I'll keep you posted on how it is. But it's really light, so for a change, it's quite funny. It's like a Harry Potter style. but in general, it's classics, and if you like it, I think you'll enjoy it. So guys, please subscribe, like, comment, ask me questions if you have any regarding this model or something else. I'll be happy to share my experience with you. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.